Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to spice up your car with some nice carbon fiber accents. First, I wanna thank my buddy on Instagram. He turned me onto these. If you're interested in buying any of these, feel free to go into the links in the description below. I ordered these from China. They took probably about 2 weeks to get to me, and I'm in Massachusetts, so not too long. So these are the faux carbon fiber vinyl that I got online. As you can see, the quality is actually really good. This one's for the star on the trunk. This is for the lower air conditioner unit. This is for the area around your emergency and your seat warmers. This goes around your radio. And then lastly, this little piece goes up top where you have knobs to control your vent. Pretty easy to install. Let's get to it. All you need for this install is some rubbing alcohol and a microfiber towel. We're just gonna do it up to clean it. Now that it's dry, we can peel back the vinyl and apply it onto the car. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys like the install. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.